Coming up in this season 2 finale of Charting Course.
Oh my god, we're done! I've been waiting to do that for flippin' ages!
I hope nothing goes wrong. Oh god, please, nothing go wrong.
We're 5 minutes away.
Oh my god! So what he's doing now is he's taking the two booth seats apart, and he's now flattening them along with the front passenger seat to create the bed. So it's a lovely little living space.
I think it's lovely. You know, I mean, if you bought a tent with all this accommodation, it would cost you a lot. And this is a movable tent.
Ladies and gentlemen, the date is the 28th of January 2022. It is a long time coming, but the van has been deposited. I've put a deposit on a van. That's the exciting thing. I'm in my pyjamas, I don't look very good. I've been isolating with my grandma because my family has had the virus for a solid week. With the one and only woman of the hour. There she is! I thought this would be fantastic for my future. You know, when I've been, whatever problems I run into in the future, or, you know, living in it for several years, and then realising, oh yes, I can watch when I first did all this insanity. It's currently the 4th of March, 2024, and tomorrow is the day we pick up Ulendo. Yes! Tomorrow's also going to be the first time I actually see Ulendo finished. I haven't seen him for about 4 or 5 months. I saw him last in October of 23 with Michael in the last episode in Primer. With this face-off, you know? I haven't seen anything since then. I've seen a couple little update photos, but that's pretty much it. The team at SWK have been amazing throughout the entire thing. They're so nice and so genuine and so kind, and over the last year and 4 months, they've been restoring my vintage rust bucket, let's say, of a campervan. And tomorrow's going to be the first time I'm ever going to see him finished. I've written a long checklist, a long list for tomorrow so that I can put all the applicable parts into Ulendo ready for him to go to the mechanics. I hope nothing goes wrong. Oh god, every other time we've done anything with Ulendo, bringing him to places, taking him back, whatever, whenever we've done anything in regards to moving Ulendo, something's gone wrong, so please, nothing go wrong.
Sod's Law, we're 5 minutes away from SWK, and look what happens.
Yeah, I will.
As usual in the countryside, you encounter a lot of potholes. I was driving and just hit one straight on. and then all of a sudden, the horrible sound of all my hope just dribbling away very slowly. So yeah, one of our tyres has just gone bust and gone completely flat, and we're 5 minutes away from SWK. What are the odds? What are the odds? And of course, my mum and dad don't have the proper equipment in the car for the spare tyre, so I can't even replace the damn tyre. Or so I thought, because luckily, moments later, a seemingly brand new pitch black Range Rover pulled over, and out stepped our hero for this episode, the remarkable Tim. Having already tried to operate the joke of a jack we had in the boot to no avail, I thought we'd be stuck in the mud for the rest of the day. But this wonderful stranger who swooped in to our aid, who admitted he wasn't mechanically minded in the slightest upon arrival, somehow got the thing working. It took 10 grueling minutes of back and forth, up and down to get the seized jack to move, and 5 minutes to get the wheel nuts to loosen. Yeah. Sadly it was, thank you.
Expensive.
But eventually we got the spare tyre on and continued forward to South West Kustom.
Tell you what, he goes down a lot easier than he went back up.
My mum and dad, who were travelling separately to us, offered Tim some money and to buy him a drink, but he politely declined and said he was just happy to help. As we carried on and pulled into South West Kustom, adrenaline was high. Rounding the corner, the now iconic green building came into full view, but no sign of Ulendo. And for the final time, here we are. Ooh, where is he? Where is he? Ooh, I'm too excited now. Dan came out and greeted us with his usual charming smile, until he realised he had to wear 2 fluffy microphones, that is. It's just because of how my setup works. Could I just put it on you anyway?
But I've got to have his on as well.
I know, but that makes you look cooler. Yeah, you look cooler, double the coolness.
That? Will 2 work? And they're both fluffy, for God's sake.
Exactly. Well, we always knew you were a fluffy puff anyway, it's fine.
Yeah, shove that on you. Yeah,
We're both pro.
Fantastic things.
I've got 2 fluff.
Look at that, Alex.
2 fluffs. It looks brilliant.
He's double fluff.
Oh God, Dan, it's here, the day.
So what? So it's in the oven?
It's in the oven.
So we were just going to pull it out for you?
Oh, that's exactly what I wanted. Perfect, yeah. The moment had arrived. The shutters clattered and clanked as they disappeared into the ceiling. Jodie and Steve took their places and said, "Just you wait." The sound of Ulendo's engine roared from behind the doors. And then... we saw him. Oh my God! Oh, the orange and brown, fantastic! Oh my flippin' God! Where's the real van? Where's the real one? The rusty one that I gave
we bought a new one.
Oh, you got me a new one, nice. Oh my God! Jodie, thank you. I need a hug. I'm sorry. Oh my God. Look at the flipping bumpers! Oh my God! Dan, he looks fantastic. May I, please? Come here. Come on. Oh, and for all your amazing work, I do have a present for you, if you want it now.
Okay.
Yes, okay, good.
Then.
Dan, honestly though, seriously, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That's insane. Thing is, right, you guys have got so many reviews and everyone always takes photos of all the stuff, and I think a Renault Traffic can't turn out as nice as a Harley Davidson, but it did. Yeah. So, a present for all of you from us. I'm really sorry, by the way, Dan, for this, but... To Dan, Steve, Rich and Jodie, thank you for taking on something no one else would, making my dream come true. Thank you so much.
That's cool. We need a frame now, yeah.
I can't believe it. The bumper's the most of all, like the black.
Yeah, it makes it proper pop.
Yeah, absolutely. I don't know what else to say. Thank you.
We got something for you as well.
I'm sorry, what?
Yeah. I'll go grab it a moment.
Oh, the tables have turned. Oh, brilliant!
This is just all the worksheets.
Yeah.
And it's just a few photos, nothing major. Keep that with the van, because obviously if you ever sell the van, you've got, do you know what I mean? You've got something to go with it.
Sell the van.
Oh, I can't see that happening now, yeah.
It was an incredible day. With my vintage World Explorer newly restored and back by my side, we celebrated with photos, cups of tea all round, and the team lit up some long-saved cigars. All to wish us well, as we admired and stood astounded at the sheer caliber of work on display. Now, Ulendo is reborn, ready to tackle the long journey across Europe that lies ahead. And I'm proud to say that for every mile of that journey, I'll be driving a South West Kustom vehicle, one that was lovingly resurrected and rejuvenated from a rusting hulk of metal to a rugged, ready, but beautiful adventure rig. And it's clear, I can't thank everyone at SWK enough for their dedication to this project, and the fact they've never faltered, wavered, or left a single question unanswered for the year and 4 months it took to bring Ulendo back to life. Now comes the road ahead, as we bid an emotional farewell to this chapter of my life, and drive on towards the next. With peacocks calling as we exit the gate. Absolutely fantastic.
Can't keep my eyes open because of the sun.
It's alright, I'll Photoshop them open.
And Photoshop his mouth shut while you're at it.
I do not talk too much.
Alright.